Welcome to Lecture 22, Using I Statements for Conflict Resolution. In this lesson, you'll discover how to use I statements to express your feelings and needs clearly, reduce defensiveness, and resolve conflicts more effectively. I statements are a communication tool that helps you express your feelings and needs without blaming others. By focusing on your own experience, you invite open and honest dialogue. Using I statements helps reduce defensiveness in others, promotes mutual understanding, and builds trust-key ingredients for resolving conflicts successfully. A typical I statement includes 4 parts: how you feel, what happened, why it affects you, and what you'd like to happen next. Here's an example. I feel frustrated when meetings start late because it disrupts my schedule. I would like us to start on time. Notice how this focuses on your feelings and needs without blaming others. You statements often sound accusatory and can make others defensive. In contrast, I statements share your perspective and invite cooperation. Understanding you statements' importance of I statements. Use I statements during disagreements, when you need to express your feelings, or when you want to request a change in someone's behavior. Avoid turning I statements into hidden accusations, such as, "I feel that you never listen." Instead, focus on your feelings and needs without blaming. Let's practice. Instead of saying, "You're always late," try, "I feel stressed when meetings start late." This shift encourages a more positive response. I statements can de-escalate tense situations, foster empathy, and encourage collaborative problem solving. For best results, be specific and honest, stay calm and respectful, and focus on finding solutions rather than assigning blame. Imagine a team member misses deadlines. Instead of blaming, you could say, "I feel concerned when deadlines are missed because it affects our project timeline. I'd like us to discuss how we can stay on track." Now it's your turn. Think of a recent conflict, write an I statement for it, and practice saying it aloud. This will help you use I statements confidently in real situations. To summarize, I statements help you express your feelings without blame, encourage understanding, and are essential tools for resolving conflict. I statements encourage understanding to resolve conflict. Start practicing I statements in your daily life and observe how they improve your relationships. Keep building your communication skills for even better results.